Hey guys, Ellen here, back into another vid.
I thought y'all didn't watch art.
So today I'm just gonna be talking. Maddox, come get in the video, okay?
Yeah, what a piano video.
Okay, so anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below and please leave a like on this video. Go check out Just Do It, yeah. She's one of my friends from school, so yeah, you better go check her out, dude. You better go check her out. Yeah, okay, so anyways, I just wanted to hit the record button and start talking to you guys. But yeah, that's kind of the whole concept of today's video. I don't know what I do. I mean, like, I just press the record button and I'm like, ooh, let's make a video. So yeah, that's what I do. I've got to go let Maddox in. Sorry.
It's Lionel.
What?
I can find any killing books. I never did that.
Here, Maddox, come here. I'll find you a coloring book, okay?
No, I'm doing my again.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end it here because Maddox is crying. But bye, guys.